go.
Hello everyone, my name is Jen and welcome to my channel. And we're gonna make a Jell-O in a jar.
Okay, what do you need? You need 1 cup of hot water and then a Jell-O powder that is already flavored, right?
Right.
Yeah, so first, and then also you need small jars to put it in later after you mix it.
Yeah.
Yes. So
You have to a little bit of tiny, right?
Okay, what's the flavor? You have cherry, you have a grapes, and you have a lemon.
Lemon with lemon.
Here. Okay, first step, what you gotta do?
We're gonna do this
Pour
one.
out. Okay, guys, make it sure that
Ask your parents for help.
because it's hot, so it's dangerous. So slowly,
Whoa, that's a cute one.
and then go more.
Okay. Looks like rock candy.
What's next? No, you have to.
Mix.
Okay, careful. Okay.
How it mix? Add the type. Whoa, mine's so red.
Yeah.
Mine is stronger. Ah, it's spilled.
That's okay. Just slowly going down.
Okay. Good.
Okay.
Done.
Okay. Next
Next step.
is the grapes.
How about this?
Oh, you want the lemon? Okay. Careful.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Okay.
It's not, Mama.
Oh, that's the grapes. That's okay. We can change it. Here. Okay. Go.
And I will mix it. And this is cool. You see that, guys? It turned purple.
Careful.
I like
slowly.
purple. It's my favorite, right?
Yeah.
Like gooey slime. I have to get cold, then I will play. Then you have help.
Okay.
Good?
Yep.
I will choose the lemon.
The last one is the
Lemon.
lemon flavor.
Oh,
Whoa, I
see?
like the color.
See that? I told ya. You can add
Yeah,
more
Mama was
if you
not
want.
right.
You can add more if you want. Ooh. Oh, lemon. I will mix all of these.
Now you have the spoon. Oh,
Oh,
you have a spoon for everyone.
and
Okay, I need to help Chian because we need to mix it properly
I like purple.
until it will melted. All the sugar, all the food color.
Then we have to. We have a one, and
What a good color, yeah.
so pretty.
This one.
It looks like red. Mama, it looks like red. I think.
Yeah. What color is that?
It's spinning like a tornado.
That's we need to melt. We need to melt it.
And for 100 minutes.
Oh yeah. Try it. You get the yellow one.
It's very dangerous.
Mix. Oh, careful. It's hot. It's hot.
You can blow it.
You're so smart.
Tastes good now.
Yeah.
You can blow it if you want. You add more. Look at my hands.
Yeah.
So pretty is food color. You can add more if you want. Take my time. No more. No more devils in here. Look.
Yeah. Because everything already here.
Or not there, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's been like a tornado. You
Okay,
mix
here,
it.
you do it yourself. Still have, not yet. This one is.
Oh. Now I'm gonna blow it. You can blow it if you want. can blow it if you want. It's now hot. Then you add more. Looks like salt.
Always ask your parents for
For help.
help.
And just volcano, yeah?
Now they already melted fully.
Alright, I'm gonna mix it.
Okay, mix. Okay,
These
mix.
are
One more
best.
mix.
One more mix?
Yep.
I would use two. Let's try because we're gonna put lot of Jell-O.
Yeah, lots of Jell-Os.
Now it's done.
It's done, and now we have to.
Take out the spoon.
Okay, take out the spoon.
Here. You can add 3 if you want. And this one is garbage. Ah!
Okay, now it's Mama turn. We
Okay.
have to pour out on the jar now. Hold on.
Guys, ask your parents for help. Ah! No!
There you go.
Woo! We have to pour out the... I want to taste it.
3. Uh-oh. I think we need only 3. Oops. Yeah, 3 jars. So we have 3 jars in its color. Okay. There you go.
It looks like
Now
experiment.
you're done with the flavor. First flavor. Oh, Gian already drink. That's the first flavor. This is a cherry one.
Hey, be careful.
Yeah, that's cherry. And
It's
then
gonna fall down.
do
We need
yellow, which is the
perfect job.
lemon.
It looks like a volcano. Huh? Be careful with the hot water.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, just make it like equal. Try to make it equal. Not really equal, but yeah. So now we're done with the yellow, and that is the
Yellow.
lemon.
I just need for help.
Yeah. We have to wipe this one. Oops.
Can I have that?
Yeah, thank you, Gian.
I will put it right
Yellow.
here.
And that is the
Looks like
lemon. Okay, next. We're gonna do the next one is the grapes. So grapes. Oops. Grapes.
Yummy. See?
Yeah.
I like grapes, right?
Yeah.
Grapes.
Okay, there you go.
I want to drink it.
Now everything is already in the jar. Now we need to do is to
Agitate.
now they are already there. There you go. So the Jell-O is already on the jar. And the next step is what? We're gonna put on the
Fridge.
fridge for overnight or 5 hours. Or you can check if the Jell-O already like
It looks
a little bit
beautiful.
hard texture. Okay?
Oh.
So how is it, Gian?
Good.
Yeah,
Then
so
we have 1,000 minutes.
okay, we're gonna wait for overnight. So this gonna be ready for tomorrow. So see you guys. Say see you guys tomorrow.
See you guys tomorrow. Bye. It's done, guys.
Yeah, it's done. After 3 hours, because Gian can't wait anymore to taste it. So, 3 hours is fine on the fridge, okay? Now Gian wants to try them.
Yeah, I will open.
Oh.
Oh. Is it the Papa Bubble?
That's the, what's that?
That's a,
Cherry?
I think, yeah. Yellow. Red, I see.
Okay, try it.
Oh.
That's your spoon over there.
The Jell-O is joined. You can make it if you want.
How is it?
Good.
Okay, we'll say thank you guys.
For watching.
And please don't forget to
Like and ring the bell. Ding ding. Remember, Jesus loves you. Bye. Bye. Purple.
Yum, yum.
How about the yellow?
Lemon.
Yellow
Oh, that's a good one. It's easy for you to take it off, yeah?
lemon.